Today's video is brought to you by DXZtoz and their two-way articulating borescope. If you're a mechanic, electrician, house inspector, plumber, or an everyday handyman, this is a must-have in your toolbox. More details at the end of the video. This will shock a lot of you based on comments I get on YouTube all the time. Electric vehicle owners are sticking with EVs. A massive 94% say they'll buy electric again. But before you think the transition to electric is smooth sailing, here's the catch. Nearly half of first-time EV buyers don't even know how their own cars work. That's right, EV education is severely lacking, and it could be hurting adoption rates just as the industry faces more headwinds. Let's break it down. So according to the latest J.D. Power 2025 U.S. Electric Vehicle Experience Ownership Study, EV satisfaction is climbing, especially in the mass market segment. BEV market share grew 9.1% in 2024. That is up from 8.4% in 2023. Hyundai Ioniq 6 and BMW i6 are topping customer satisfaction charts. Public charging satisfaction is improving, especially for premium EV owners. And the biggest takeaway, only 12% of EV owners say they would go back to gas-powered cars. The vast majority are all in on electric. Sounds great, right? Not so fast. The major problem no one is talking about, EV buyers are left in the dark. 46% of first-time EV buyers were never taught how their car's features actually work. 88% had no idea about the total cost of EV ownership before they bought. Think about that for a second. Nearly half of EV owners are figuring out their cars on their own. Imagine buying a gas-powered car and not knowing how to refuel it, maintain it, or understand real-world costs. For an industry that is desperately needing more buyers, this is a disaster waiting to happen unless something better happens. This J.D. Power study makes it clear education is crucial to keeping EV adoption growing. But with policy changes looming, things are about to get even more complicated. Federal tax credits that made EVs more affordable are now on the chopping block. High upfront costs and charging infrastructure gaps remain major concerns for a lot. Buyers still on the fence are turning to plug-in hybrids or PHEVs instead of going fully electric. The bottom line here, is the EV future slipping away? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. EV owners love their cars. They do. The numbers support it. But the lack of education and policy uncertainty could stall the transition. New buyers need more transparency on costs and ownership challenges. They do. Manufacturers must do a better job training customers. If these gaps aren't addressed, EV adoption could hit a wall. So before jumping into an EV, do your research. Watch more videos like this. Compare costs. Don't rely on dealers to educate you. They're not. The numbers, again, say they're not. Want the best deal on an EV or a fuel-efficient alternative? Compare real-time pricing in your area right now. Just visit quotes.everymandriver.com. It's a free search engine to see the lowest EV and hybrid prices near you. You can also find gas-powered trucks, cars, and SUVs. Thousands of people are saving money with this every day. Quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video. Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Today's video is brought to you in part by Ironman Darts. If you're looking to pick up a new and fun hobby that you can play at home or at the local pub, check out the Ironman Darts YouTube channel for simple and easy practice routines, lessons on how to throw darts, darts games for beginners, and real matches versus real people with both steel tip and soft tip darts. Click the link below and watch for free. And there it is.